Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla ice cream with Ziploc bags, updated. Combine 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1 cup sugar, and 1 tablespoon vanilla in the smaller bag and seal tightly. Fill the larger bag halfway with ice, add 1 cup rock salt, then place the sealed cream bag inside. Shake and knead vigorously for about 10 minutes until thick and scoopable, then serve and enjoy. Start by placing the sealed cream bag into the ice and salt bag, then press out excess air so the mixture contacts cold surfaces. Hold both bags together securely and shake using large circular motions, switching hands every minute to avoid numbness. Keep the bag moving to prevent clumping and to encourage even freezing. When the mixture thickens, massage the bag to reach a creamy texture, then transfer to a bowl and serve immediately. If this tutorial is useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation. I love the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum shown here because voice control saves time so you can enjoy your homemade treats without worrying about cleanup. It makes tidying up as effortless as making this ice cream, and you can find the link plus deals in the description. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Scoop the homemade vanilla into bowls or cones and add your favorite toppings like chocolate chips or fresh berries. If the ice cream is too firm, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to soften for easier scooping. To freeze leftovers, press a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface before sealing the container to minimize ice crystals. Enjoy the rich, creamy texture made using simple kitchen items and a bit of elbow grease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.